Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can get your EPP code, so let's get right into it. Now, if you're using cPanel, you technically cannot get your EPP code from there. Your EPP code is basically used to unlock your domain from the domain registrar where it's currently registered so that you can register it to somewhere else. Now, your EPP code is directly tied to your hosting service and the registrar that they are using to register your domain. So cPanel technically does not have anything to do with this. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to go ahead and contact either your hosting service or your domain registrar, and then you're going to have to ask them to provide you with your EPP code in case if you want to transfer it somewhere else. Now, as you can see, I am on this Quora article, and pretty much all the information that I've told you is found here. However, there is this bot answer that gives some sort of steps. However, this is AI, so I hugely doubt the validity of this. However, the steps that this bot tells to do is to go to cPanel, log in, go into domains, and then select the domain you want to manage. And once you're there, you need to locate your domain for which you want the EPP code, then click on the manage button or retrieve the EPP code if there is an option, and then copy the code. However, as I've mentioned, usually or most likely cPanel doesn't have anything to do with this. Here it says that your hosting provider might have restricted access. However, I think cPanel doesn't have the EPP code at all, so it's kind of not that the information is not that valid, if you ask me. But yeah, that is pretty much all that I wanted to tell you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.